Hi guys! Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make your balloon garland. Let's get into it! So you start by making your balloon quads. If you haven't watched my previous video, you can go back and watch it, how to make a balloon quad. You tie it, make sure you don't overinflate your balloons. Now we have all of our balloons blown up. Let's assemble the garland. So there are three known ways of assembling the garland, okay? There's using your 260 balloons, there's using the twines, and there's also the other option of tying the nozzles of the balloons, one part nozzle to the other to join it. All work perfectly, but for today, since we are making a simple and an easy garland to make at home or wherever, we're going to be using the twines, okay? So let's start. So tie the fishing line around the middle of the quad a couple of times before starting the garland. Place a quad on top of the first quad. Let the twine go around the quad you just placed to the bottom of the quad. Let the twine go around other balloons on the top and the bottom of the quad for stability. And stretch the twine just a little bit to close all the gaps in between. And repeat. Alright, so there you have it, your simple and easy balloon garland that you can make at home for your kids' parties, surprises, anything at all. And trust me, you can definitely make it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.